Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to create signature in Gmail with logo. So first thing what we need to do is log in to our Gmail. Now click on the settings gear icon at the top right corner. Click on it and then select see all settings. Now we need to scroll down to signature. We need to find that. Okay, so we find it. Signature here. Now what you are doing next is create a new, and let's say give it a name, something like that, and click create. All right. Now what we can do here, we can type in text like that in this box. Now you can also, as you already know, you can use basically this formatting bar to adjust fonts and colors and so on. So let's say I will use this funny one. We can make it bold and we can also change color if we want. Now also we can add here the logo if we want. In this formatting bar you will see here image, and we can basically edit this image from here. So let's say this one, insert, just like that. Okay, allow. And as you can see now, it's a little big one, but all right, doesn't matter. And yeah, this is pretty much it, how you can add your signature into Gmail. So yeah, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, so sorry, if you click on the image here, you can also change the format of the image, so we can add it as a small, and we can also add the text, and just like that, and we have successfully created our signature. So yeah, this is now complete. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next